everybody, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to code your very own warning screen for a Five Nights at Freddy's fan game in Scratch. There will be more parts to come, so if you have already done this, go through, skip ahead, you know, just, if you want, there will be more videos in the future. If they are already out, then go ahead, check them out, but for now, you're stuck with this one. Alright, so, in this video, I will be showing you how to make, a backdrop, and how to make, design, and code your own little warning screen. Again, this is for the warning screen. I may or may not be showing you how to do, a menu screen in this video, but for now, this is just a warning screen. Also, these are very basic lessons, so they won't be overly complex and detailed lessons. They will just be straight in your face, blank, no metaphors, no nothing. But yeah, enough of me yapping, let's get right into it. So first things first, we want to go through and start making a backdrop. We're going to just add in giant black square. That's it. That's all we're doing for the first background, is that. Now we're going to go here. This is our workshop. This is where we will be making the sprite costumes and everything for more detailed and complex things such as your character. If you've already made your character, then that's good. If not, then in later videos such as the title screen or main menu screen, sorry, I will be showing you how to do all that. But for now, let's go through. To create a sprite, you want to go here. You want to do paint. If you haven't already created a sprite and labeled it workshop, please go through and do that before you do this. But we're going to call this warning screen. I'm going to call it warning screen. Okay? Always give your sprites a detailed name, such as what they actually are. That way you don't get confused when you're doing broadcast systems, variable systems. That way you're organized and know what you're doing. Alright, so now since the background is black, we don't need to add a black background for this. So yeah, go through, you know, make your font, do whatever. I prefer to do either Pixel or Safari. That's sans serif, not Safari. Sorry, I'm not doing well. I'm a little headachy today, but I am still pushing through pain to do this for you guys. Alright, so you want to go through and click on either this one, or just whatever one you want. I'm gonna go through and choose this for today. Before we start typing, we want to go through, you know, pick a color. I'm gonna do red. Let's just do red. You know, it's a classic. So now we're going to type in warning. We want this to be all caps. Okay, now we're gonna do that. We're just gonna upscale this and plop it there. If it is not centered to where you want it, just drag it to where you want. I want it to be there. I want it to be about there. Okay. To make this a little more bold, we're gonna put up the outline to 3. It's a little too bold. 2. There we go. We're gonna put it up to 2. Sorry, that is my mistake. But yeah. So we're gonna put it up to 2, and if you really want to, you can go through and make it more detailed and add in some variation in color. We're going to do 60 for both. There we go. Alright, so now that we've done that, we're going to go through back in text. Now, you do actually need to put in, you know, what your game has. A typical Five Nights at Freddy's game does have loud noises, jump scares, and flashing lights. So these are 3 things that you must put in case someone is playing and they are prone to epilepsy or seizures. That can cause you to get sued for not putting in a warning for that. So if you put in a warning, you have stated and you have warned the player that that if you are prone, you must be careful. Alright, so I have finally finished, detailing what the game includes. So, warning, this game contains flashing lights, loud sounds, and jump scares. If any of this can cause seizures or epilepsy, for you, please don't play or play at your own risk. Alright, so you have stated that this game may or may not cause epilepsy or seizures for people that have these things. Alright, so you have stated that, therefore you cannot get in trouble since you have stated it. They are the ones that played at their own risk, and they are at fault for not, being safe and watching what they're doing. Okay, so you can now not be held responsible for it. Alright, so now that we've done that, we're gonna go through and gonna hit save. Always constantly save your progress, whatever you want to call it. So now, we're going to add in a when green flag is clicked, we want to go to whatever position it is at currently. So the position's down there. If you want to change the position, you just need to drag it, or you can move the costume, which is what I'm going to do. There you go. Okay. Switch to costume 1. Now, if you wanted to fade in, then we can do that. I will show you how to either make it A, flicker on, or B, fade in. So yeah. So now, to make it fade in, we want set ghost to 100. Go to front layer and show. We don't want it to hide because then that adds in more work. Alright. Then we want it to wait about 43 seconds. 4 seconds. And then we want it to repeat 10 times. Change ghost effect by -10. Why -10, you may ask? Well, that negative means take away, so we're changing it, so we're making it take away 10% of the effect 10 times to make it then show. If we want it to look better, what we can actually do is experiment here. So if we make this 40, that looks really nice. We'll make it 60, see how that goes. So wait, no. Make it 20. Alright, 35. We'll do 35. So, actually, we'll just do 30. Yeah, 30 will do. So we want it to repeat 7 times, so it changes the effect to 30. Okay? Now that we've done that, we are then going to go through and make it wait. We'll do 8 seconds. Then repeat 10 times. Change ghost effect by 10. Wait, no, not 10 times. Sorry, my mistake. 7. Okay? And then we want it to hide. So we're going to save that. So now we're going to test it. Always test your game after you've finished implementing code or making a sprite with code. Alright, so that is pretty good, but it's a little too fast. See, that's way too fast. With fading in, I mean. Not, the timing is perfectly fine. What we're going to do, to make it run smoother, we're going to add in a wait 0 seconds in both the repeat 7 times. Okay? So now we're just going to save that, and this should run a whole lot smoother. There we go, that runs a whole lot smoother. That's pretty good. Yeah, alright. So you may see some games with like dust particles or that stuff. We can add that in, but I think it's best if we just don't for now. Right, oh, sorry, I hit my monitor there. Dumbass. Alright, so now that we've done that, and I've shown you you can do that, you can now either A, keep it like that and we can move on to dust particles, or B, we can actually go through and make it flicker. So I will show you option B now. So we're just going to go through duplicate, and we're just going to disable that by removing it from here. Oh, sorry, wrong sprite. Wrong sprite. Alright. So now we're just going to set ghost effect to 30 show. Wait 4 seconds. For this we're going to need to add in a new sprite. I mean a new costume, sorry. Make it 30. Now we're gonna do the same thing with this. Alright, so to make it a little, light up, like a little lighter, we're gonna go through and add in this. To create it see-through, and I'll show you in just a moment, we're gonna go through, copy, paste, right? Now we're gonna go through that, make it like that, and repeat like that. There we go. Ta-da! See-through. To give it like, to make it look like it's admitting, go through and copy and paste that, make that a little bigger. Now I know it seems like a bad idea for it to flicker while it's a warning about flickering lights and everything. But if you want to make it flicker, that's you. But I prefer to make it fade in rather than flicker. There, so now we're gonna wait 4 seconds. I'm gonna have it switch to costume. Yeah, 1. Wait 4 seconds. Then we're going to make it, we'll actually make it wait 2 seconds, repeat 10 times, wait 0 seconds, switch to costume 2, wait 0 seconds, switch to costume 1, and now we're gonna need this. Then then we're gonna make it wait 8 seconds, switch to costume 1, switch to costume 2, switch to costume 1, and hide. Now we'll make it wait 1 second and hide. So like that. See, that is a longer piece of code, I know, so it is a little more intimidating than the other one, but so it's pretty much the same start off code for this. When green flag is clicked, go to switch to costume 1, set ghost effects to 30, go to front layer and show, and then we need the wait 2 seconds, repeat 10, wait 0 seconds, switch to costume 2, wait 0 seconds, switch to costume 1, and then wait 0 seconds, switch to costume 2, wait 8 seconds, and then it's basically this part from here to here, just in reverse. Switch to costume 1, switch to costume 2, the yada yada yada. So now we're gonna go through and see how it works. There we go. And there we go. So we are going to add in sounds for this one. You know, the da 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 da. So we're just gonna get the. We want that. Yeah, that. So we want the buzz. So let's do that. There we go. Alright, so now we've added in our buzz. Let's see how it works. Like that. Ta-da! And that's how you make the flickering one. That is how you make a warning screen. So, go through, choose which one you want to do, and yeah, it's basically all there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in the next tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and leave a comment on this video. I would love some feedback on my videos to know how I'm going. Go check out my game, Maxie the Fox's Diner, all versions on Game Jolt. Give it some love and attention, please, so I have the courage to keep on going. That's it for me. I'll see you all later.